What's up with you, baby? I'm back with another video. Y'all know the Super Bowl coming up. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know who you got, the Chiefs or the Eagles. But this video right here is for that special occasion. We're making party wings. And not your traditional lemon pepper chicken wings, but orange pepper chicken wings. Stick around. Peep how I did it. Cook! All right, so we have our chicken wings. I'm going to defrost them, and I'm going to cut them into wingettes and drumettes myself. This pack right here made about 26 to 30 wings. That's only a few of them there. But this is all of the seasonings that we're going to use. Everything you see here, we have 2 teaspoons of each ingredient. And now this is enough seasoning for all 30 pieces of wings here. I'm going to add the rest of the chicken before I mix it together. Now that we've added all of the seasonings to the chicken and got it well incorporated, we're going to add this to the hot oil. Let your temperature get up to about 375 degrees and then go ahead and drop your chicken. We're not going to batter it or anything. We're going to fry it just like this. And now we're just going to gauge it depending on how many pieces of chicken you add to the oil, because the oil is going to drop its temperature as you add the chicken. So depending on how much you put into the pot depends on how long you're going to cook it for. My basic thing is just pay attention to the color of it, pay attention to the size of the chicken wing, and once it stops, kind of actively frying, then you know that your chicken is done. Now we're going to go ahead and get started on our drizzle. We're going to melt 1 stick of butter in the microwave. And here you go. This is the orange pepper seasoning that we're going to be using. We're going to add some of that orange pepper to this melted butter. We're going to mix that in with our whisk, and then we're going to add that to the chicken. But before we do that, we're going to add some of the orange pepper seasoning directly to the chicken wings. Now this is enough sauce for all of the wings. We're going to go ahead and pour it all in there. We're going to give it a toss. We're going to remove those wings, and then we're going to add the rest and give those a toss. And there you go. Just switch the game up on them on Super Bowl day. Instead of lemon pepper wings, we made orange pepper wings. Don't tell Rick Ross, though.
Boats all in my yard, lemon pepper my wings.
Straight fire, y'all. Look, time to taste these things. Man, I had to go in on this chicken wing. I'm sorry, y'all, because it was so damn good. I'm telling you, it's the perfect alternative to lemon pepper chicken wings. Thank y'all for sticking around. Thank y'all for watching this recipe, and I'll see y'all next time.